to download and install CiCi AI Assistant app. So if you want to download and install CiCi AI Assistant app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can open up your App Store or your Play Store. So I'll just simply go with your Play Store. Now after opening, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for CiCi AI Assistant app. After searching for it, now here you will have the application. The applications look like this, but unfortunately in my region I don't have the application available. But if it's available in your region, then it's free. You can just simply go with install and you'll be able to install or download the application. So for example, I'll just simply go with this one. Now here you will have the install option, right? In the same way, you will have the install button with the CiCi application. You can just simply go with install, and within a few seconds or a few minutes, your application will be installed, and you will have the open button, and you can open the application, create your account or log into your account and use it. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.